Smooth, consistent, super satisfying. Give your keyboard a tactile, smooth and precisely weighted feel with the Drop Halo Clear Switch Pack, 70 PCs. Medium to heavy tactile switches. With the rise of medium to heavy tactile switches over the years, the Halo Clears precisely emulate the weight of fan-favorite Cherry MX Clear switches with the smoothness of a Halo switch. Developed by Jacob Alexander. HaaTa. These custom switches combine the best attributes Topre 55 grams and Cherry MX Clear, which results in near-perfect consistency and smoothness with each keypress. Preloaded. These switches come preloaded and offer an interesting pop during activation, similar to the force curve found in Topres. Compatibility. Halo switches are compatible with plate-mounted Cherry-style PCBs and are perfect for hot swap-compatible barebones kits such as the Drop Alt, Control, Carina, Tokyo 60, Shift, Plank and Preonic. The 90 pack is tailor-made for the Drop Alt keyboard. Top reviews from the United States. Love the sound and feel. These key switches are the best of both worlds. Impressively tactile, but not too loud. Exactly what I needed for the office.